With OpenRouter, we can easily add online search to our Pydantic AI agents. First, we import the agent and the OpenAI model. We also import .env and OS. Now we can load the API key for OpenRouter from our .env file. And here we create an OpenAI compatible model for Perplexity, Llama 3.1 with online search capabilities. We need to provide a base URL and the API key. Then we create an agent with the model. And now we can ask about current events like the calendar week and print out the result data in the terminal. And this is how easy it is to use OpenRouter to add online search to our Pydantic AI agent.